Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the summary of Chapter 16, The Brahmin and the Seven Fairies. It is a Indian folk tale. This story tells us that anyone who tries to deceive and steal from an innocent and good hearted person will be punished. That means it is important to understand that what we do to others will always come back to us. So we must always be careful with how we behave with others. The main characters of this story are a Brahmin, the Brahmin's wife, seven fairies, and the Brahmin's friend. Now let's begin the summary of the story. There was once a lazy Brahmin who used to have frequent quarrels with his wife. One day, after a quarrel, he decided to leave home and try his luck elsewhere. So, here the Brahmin is a lazy but good hearted man. So, the Brahmin's wife quarrels with her husband all the time because of his laziness. His wife packed seven rotis and some snacks for him to eat during his journey. By afternoon, the Brahmin was hungry and sat down under a tree to eat. He was so hungry that when he took out the rotis, he said aloud that he would eat all seven of them. There were seven fairies who stayed on that tree, and when they heard him, they thought he was going to eat them. So they begged the Brahmin not to and offered him a magic god instead. Each time the god opened its mouth to eat grass, gold coins would fall out of its mouth. The Brahmin, on his way back home, stayed with a friend and told him about the magic god because he trusted his friend. The greedy friend took the magic god and replaced it with an ordinary one. The Brahmin's wife was furious when she found that the god was no magic god. So she gets very angry when she finds out that her husband has been cheated by the fairies. So the Brahmin went back to the fairies and accused them of cheating him. This time they gave him a magic pan that would cook in a minute whatever dish it was told. The same thing happened again, and the Brahmin reached home with an ordinary pan. When he went to the fairies this time, they asked him all that had happened and they understood that his friend had cheated him. However, the Brahmin does not realize that his friend is cheating him repeatedly. Once he learns that the person he trusted has tricked and fooled him, he does not hesitate to teach him a lesson. And here the fairies are very helpful, they are true to their word. So they gave him a magic rope and stick and told him to go to the friend's house. When the Brahmin was asleep, the friend peeped into the bag, and the magic rope jumped out and bound him, and the magic stick beat him up till he was black and blue. Black and blue means beat someone harshly. He confessed to his greed and returned the magic god and the magic pan to the Brahmin. The Brahmin and his wife lived happily ever after and never had to use the magic rope or stick again. So here you can see that the Brahmin's friend is very greedy and cheating his own friend. He repeatedly cheat him for his own gain. Children, what you have understood from the story? We reap what we sow. Whatever we do, good or evil, is bound to come back to us. We will reap only what we sow. So we should always be kind and good to others. So remember these things and read this chapter and complete your work. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.